2, 1, go!
In our match number 8, we have some robots on the move. Looks like we have a gear trying to be delivered by the Blue Alliance up to the Blue Alliance airship and autonomous. Looks like some fuel already in the air over on the Red Alliance side as well. 10 points on each alliance, plus a couple of KPA scored on the Red Alliance boiler as our human drivers take control. 5507 Robotic Eagles. They've got a gear in their machine. They're headed over, triggering those hoppers, trying to release that fuel on the Red Alliance airship side. 74 over to their loading zone on the Blue Alliance, trying to grab another gear. We've got one rotor spinning on the Blue Alliance airship, and now we're trying to get some more gears delivered over on the Red Alliance. 66-65 Nuns and Bolts. They're getting another gear up onto that airship, and their alliance partner has got one lined up on that gear peg as well. It's up and into the Red Alliance airship. Over on the blue, they've got their rotor number 2 spinning, bringing them up to a score of 115. Here comes the first rotor on the Red Alliance airship, and they've got 2 more gears prepped and ready. They're going to catch right up with that gear number 2. And now they're trying to get another gear from the Red Alliance robot, 3250 Kennedy Robotics. They're getting it lined up on that gear peg on the Red Alliance rotor side with just over 1 minute remaining. Still have some time until these robots are ready for takeoff and prepared to climb aboard. Over on the Blue Alliance, we're loading some more gears. That Blue Alliance robot has a gear in their machine, and they're headed back around towards that Blue Alliance airship. Red Alliance, they got their second rotor spinning, bringing them to a score of 92. It's anybody's game as these climbing robots are worth 50 points. Red Alliance can still catch up in our final 30 seconds. Right now, our robots, drivers, and human pilots are ready to drop the lines off the airships and get their robots climbing aboard. It's worth 50 points for every robot triggering those lights. There's some fuel flying into that blue boiler. 5507 Robotic Eagles, they're climbing up, looking to trigger that light on the Red Alliance. Looks like 3250 Kennedy Robotics is ready for takeoff, and 6474 loses their grasp and falls down. 5507 Robotic Eagles looking to trigger, but not quite enough time to push the light on that Blue Alliance airship before we run out of time.